Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a popular dessert that's rich, creamy, and soaked in flavor. Let's break down this name to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Tres Leches Cake. Tres Leches Cake. Tres Leches Cake. Tres Leches Cake. It refers to a classic Latin American dessert made with a sponge cake soaked in 3 types of milk: evaporated milk, condensed milk, and heavy cream, creating a moist and flavorful treat. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.